Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crock-pot Salisbury steak that is seriously the easiest recipe. You're going to need a can of cream of mushroom, a can of French onion soup, a pack of brown gravy mix, and cube steak. Add in your soups and gravy mix first to the crock pot and then whisk it all together until there are no more clumps. At this time, you're going to start adding your cube steak. I found that it was easier if it was frozen and thawed in the fridge overnight. It gives it a little bit of a more solid steak to work with. If they're fresh, they seem to fall apart. I just layered them in there and tried to cover them as good with the gravy mixture as I could. One thing I did forget to record was the cornstarch slurry, and with about an hour of cooking time left, you mix up 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water and add it into your crock pot. Once your steaks are layered and covered as good as you can get them, set the crock pot to high for 4 hours. I just paired mine with corn and mashed potatoes, and it was so good.